In collaboration with Anike Foundation, YOCOFOBA conducted a survey within the local tuber community. The data collected from this survey identified 40 single mothers aged between 17 and 30 to participate in our Poultry project. Over the course of 2 days, YOCOFOBA and our partners conducted a survey within the local tuber community. We used the data collected from this survey to identify 40 single mothers aged between 17 and 30 to participate in our project. The selected young women participated in a 2-day training workshop conducted in partnership with a subdivision delegation of livestock, fisheries and animal husbandry in Tuba. The Poultry Farm for Young Women project is for 40 single mothers aged between 17 and 30 who would otherwise lack the means to provide for themselves and their children. We have trained and assisted these women to establish and maintain a poultry farm. This 6-month project is taking place in Tuba subdivision, Cameroon. According to a recent United Nations report, approximately 80 of women in communities in Tuba depend solely on farming and agriculture for survival, despite environmental degradation making this an unstable source of income away. This crisis is occurring against the backdrop of a rise of Boko Haram terrorist attacks and a secessionist insurgency in Anglophone regions of Cameroon like Tuba, which has displaced more than 500,000 people internally too. Like the rest of the world, Cameroon has also had to grapple with the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. This project focuses on women and children as they are disproportionately affected by these crises. Although 39% of the national population of Cameroon lives below the poverty line, 51% of women live in poverty and 79% of women are underemployed. Furthermore, studies have shown that children of single mothers in Cameroon are much more likely to suffer extreme malnutrition, and their risk of under 5 mortality is substantially increased for. Our poultry farm will improve the stability and income of the women and their children, as well as improve their nutritional levels and health outcomes. A member of the local tuber community has generously donated the land and a small poultry house for the project. YOCOFOBA collaborated with the Chief of Post from the Ministry of Livestock, Fisheries and Animal Husbandry, along with the Women Empowerment Center in Tuba to mobilize the community and select the beneficiaries of this project. After the training was completed, each participant received 10 3-week-old baby chicks, basic vitamins and medicines to ensure the chicken's health, and a bag of chicken feed with the provisions that the chickens will reproduce. The reproduced chicks will then be shared with the poultry farm to create a revolving fund and help sustain the program, and allow more vulnerable members of the community to be given this opportunity. This will also help to increase participants' income and improve their nutrition levels. After the training, the participants continue to meet with our training team every 2 weeks to share their experiences and receive guidance and advice. The specific objectives of the project was to 1. To train 40 young women in sustainable poultry farming practices. 2. To provide a source of food and income security to 40 women and their families. 3. To reduce the vulnerability of 40 young women through economic development and empowerment. YOCOFOBA wants to use this opportunity to thank Anike Foundation for providing the funds used for this project.